Students, any discipline of study requires a strong base of theory to survive. Like for example, science has a certain set of rules, principles to follow, and they are universally true as well. Similarly, accounting has a strong base of theory. So today we are going to start with theory base of accounting. Now the first topic that we are going to start with is what we call as GAAP, GAAP. That stands for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. Students, it is a set of principles which have been accepted by accountants worldwide. As per the definition, it refers to the rules or the guidelines adopted for recording and reporting of business transaction to bring uniformity in preparation, presentation of financial statements. This statement makes it clear that these are guidelines adopted for the purpose of recording and reporting. Now, these are guidelines. They are not essential, but they act as broad guidelines or guide the action of the accountant for the purpose of recording and reporting. They help an accountant where to record, what principles or what rules to follow, and they bring about uniformity. Now, this is very, very important. Why are they followed? Accountancy in India would be following a different pattern. Accountants would be using a specific set of instructions. Let's say somewhere around the world, UK or US, the scheme of things would be a little different. So to bring about uniformity, that is, the accountants or the accounts that are prepared in India should be in some way similar to what is being followed in UK or US for the same kinds of transactions. So these rules have been prepared. They bring about uniformity so that the preparation and the presentation of financial statements can be done in a useful and meaningful manner. So what these GAAP principles do, they bring about what we call as qualitative characteristics. They lend a quality to the accounting information. Now these principles have evolved over a period of time, and their basis of evolution are, let us understand it, they are customs and traditions. GAPs are based on what accountants have been doing for over n number of years. It brings about a sense of institutionalization over various accounting practices. Then it is based on past experience. Accountants over the years have had various ups and downs. They know which particular rules to follow. They know what pattern of accounting to follow. So their past experiences have been institutionalized through these GAAP principles. So what are the bases of GAAP? The bases of GAAP have been customs and traditions which have been institutionalized and the past experiences of the accountants.